Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'll show you how you can find all the contact information from every airline possible. But however, imagine you booked a ticket from Emirates and you have a customer and the customer has some specific questions and you need to call the airline. So how can you call Emirates and how can you find the contact details from Emirates on CouponBet? Well, it's very easy. First of all, just log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you can see here you're on the dashboard and just click on Tools. Once you click on Tools, you can see here an entire list of every airline currently available on the list. And we have many airlines, and that's the one we need, Emirates. So just select this. Once we do this, you can see we get their official logo. You can see there the company name, of course, and IATA code, and of course, very important, the Philippine landline number. So you can call them quickly and fast. In case you need to visit their office or their main head office, you can see here where they're located. So CouponBet helps your travel agency to be more professional and to serve your customers faster by having all the details that you need at hand. So if you're interested and you want to be part of this CouponBet system, you want to register as well, no problem. Just go to couponbet.com. You can see here, once you go to couponbet.com, you can just click here on sign up, and the moment you click on sign up, you get this page here. Put in your company details in here, your email and password, and once you click register, you get an email from us instantly. Open up the email, click and confirm the link in the email, and your account is good to go. So what are you waiting for? Register at CouponBet and organize your travel agency right away.